Let's start the session. What's going on, everyone? It's 21st of July. Hope you're doing great. It's Tuesday and New York session again. Let's get on the charts. So starting by USD JPY, the trade that we took last week lost once, took it again, waited patiently on it, had another entry yesterday on New York session, and as you can see, it's finally starting to make a little bit of move, broke the level above here. I don't think they're gonna play the high of previous weeks because it's not really high of previous week, it's high of previous it's not even high of previous month. You can see maybe high of previous month here, but I think they're going to this 163 for sure, and I'm gonna keep on holding. You can take some profit if you like. You can go break even if you like. Depends on which entry we are talking about. One of them is up 55 pips. One of them is up 36 pips. Both of them were we entered even here. This one we entered with less than 40 pips. Both of them less than 40 pips. Trades running 55 pips from the original entry. So definitely you are over 1 to 1. Nothing wrong with securing some profit. Depends on your trading plan really. I personally don't like to secure any profit at this point, but I will secure the trade by going break even and stuff. So my stop loss for both positions are at break even. The first one is at break even on the top two. So basically, it's about to give you the exact amount. So about 20 pips profit on the previous trade is secured, and the second position is on break even. And as it goes for as it push further, we can either use 1 hour or the levels to basically what was the word, trail your stop loss. Sorry, I didn't remember the word. To trail your stop loss towards higher levels. Oh, how are you doing? Good afternoon to you. It's 9 a.m. here. So yeah, that's about USD JPY. Let's take a look at US30 yesterday. Um, it did happen pretty aggressively, to be honest with you, and we were looking at it here, and I wanted to see more stop hunt. So this was literally what we said going to happen by 9:30. It's gonna have a stop hunt high and drop, and it all happened to one single candle. So I didn't really enter. It did push a little further, but I think it's more and more confirmed about our analysis that US30 is going to be bearish, and we are going to see 50,000 or 49,750 in my opinion around here. This low that was created, price came up, and now I think it's coming back down. Looking at here, it's not really big retracement. It's not even 50% retracement. So you can even go further. But as of right now, we say 50,000. Can we trade it right now? Only if they stop on high. If they do it just like yesterday, no, I'm not gonna enter. But we'll see. Let's just leave USD JPY. I think it's gonna be fruitful. GBP JPY. We didn't touch GBPs because it was not really the place that we wanted. It was too extended. It was at the return phase. However, I was not seeing any balance there. So I need to see expand, return, balance, and then I take the next expand, get out, return, balance. That's how it goes, right? To give you a little bit more insight, this is literally protocol 369 I'm teaching you. Expand, return, balance. expand, return, balance, expand, return. Return is not finished, balance is not there. That's why I didn't take any trade on GBPs. And we took this trade for the same reasons. We want to see this expand, return, balance where DMA and levels are aligned towards one direction. Let's go GBP AUD. Same thing. As you can see, GBPs are looking bearish. Now, most of the DMAs are not respected at all. We're not going to touch any of them. Euro NZD. Finally, it looks like they kind of worked this low here. And that was a sick ride. If we would have taken it. Taking it, yeah, nothing on the Euro NZD. Looking at gold. So yesterday it did not really play out. It stopped me out with this push to the upside when I was sleeping. And to be honest with you, having the stop loss above level, you could see it could have saved us for now. If it continued dropping from here, that would be a big lesson for all of us here. At least for myself too, that regardless of the stop loss and how big it is, you have to just respect the rules and not to go, not to change that based on the, the risk to reward or whatever that you have. You either don't take the trade because it's a loss. You either don't take the trade, or if you take the trade, put the proper stop loss and accept the lower position size. I did not do that, so the trade happened to be a loss. Let me actually update my journal since we're here. And put that in there. Let me see. Update amount to. Okay. So stop loss should have been above level. I think it put below for better or on. Stop without breaking the level. Respect the rules. Alright, so journal for this trade is done. And let's go to the next one. So what I see right now, honestly, I still see bearish. If they come back up here and fail to break it one more time, well, let's see. I'm not gonna do anything right now. Just gonna watch. Euro GBP coming up. I forgot to check the bot actually. Let's do that too. Okay, Euro JPY. So Euro GBP coming towards DMA on daily. I don't, but it might actually just play around here. We're gonna need more candles a little bit. Nothing really. GBP Canadian looking like it's going down. DMA is bullish. I don't like it. USD CHF turning bullish. I do like this. The way it is. Let's see how much stop loss if we wanna do 30. 30 to be here. 50 to be below this one. 55. $45 pips would be below the level. 0.80600. I'm actually gonna try this. This comes up actually for that reason. And let's bring magic key up. Open. Risk. Alright, and I take profit. 1, 2, 3, 82. Just waiting to see if it's gonna drop a little bit further. I'm gonna take a look at 15 minutes. It can come back to the level. I don't really care. I'm gonna enter right after this candle close, about 30 seconds. 5 minutes to everything looks good. June 15. Good. In this one right now again, not again, I mean as another trade. I'm gonna add it to journal real quick. So on Tuesday we took USD CHF buy this link, 1% risk. Amount of risk is alright. So this about second trade. Let's continue. Talk about the GBP. Yes, yeah, it looks good. It looks really good. Euro USD also looking like a sell, a nice sell too. You can see the cross on 3 hour just happened, and the 1 hour looks good. That's a 15 minutes. The 30 minutes should be looking good too. The stop loss for this one though, it's about 50 pips if you wanna be above DMA and level. Looking at the risk to reward, yeah, it makes sense if you wanna take. Let's quickly go over the rest and see if I wanna do anything other than that. Yeah, there's no other setup. We can try the Euro USD as well. I'm gonna try. Looks good. Euro USD. Magic key. I'm gonna go actually 50 pips to stop loss just to be safe. Get the journal done too. Sorry, literally one of the ways that you can get it done and be consistent about it is to do it right away without caring about it. It's like part of your trade to journal it. Okay. Alright, so we got into sell Euro USD. We have USD JPY buy, and also we got USD CHF on buy. Let me do the 3 this here. Set up ready. UJ SSHF. Nice. So one thing about the game that we play, the CS2, one thing that I want to change is that there is a fix this. There is a better there's different game modes that you can play, and I was playing the mode that doesn't requires much of a thinking and all. However, that is not really fun to watch for you guys, as far as I know. What is fun to watch is if you make it like a movie. The way to make it like a movie is the game mode that there is two teams. One has to plant the bomb, the other one has to defuse it, and then it's like a story, and it's much more fun. So I decided to play the other game mode. That way, it's there is more tension. It's more fun. Let me open it to. It's 919. Let's take a look at USD. Actually, let's try talk about the last three as well. The oil continuing to rise, and I don't think it's gonna be bearish anymore. It's setting the peak, and it's making the crosses to happen, and the war is going on. Also, Bitcoin, you can see the momentum on it. You heard it here first. I literally called it at 60,000 that it's about to go up, because the low of here and the way they work this, we talk about it, the fake out for retail trader of sell, and I think we're going up. You can see Ripple it's at $1.12 right now. This thing didn't really play out so far, but we'll see. So it looking good. This is my buy position here for Ripple. Well, not the position, it's actually the order. Buy order at $1.01. Let's see how it's gonna play out. So cryptos are bullish, gold is bearish, oil is bullish, US30 is bearish. So as a title that we have in the live stream, US30, gold, Forex, crypto, and oil I added extra for you guys. And all of them are, as you can see in here. And for the US30, we have about 9 minutes for 9:30. You can see it's gaining the momentum. Yesterday, same thing pretty much happened too. If I go to 1 minute here, and if I take it to yesterday, that's the Monday, and that's basically nights. That's night 2, 1 a.m. London session, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, we came back to today. Let's zoom out. Okay, here. So you see, this is 9:30. Notice 9:20. We are 9:22 right now. We're here. And then price went up, 9:30, stop hunt, and then smashed down. What they're doing right now, and you can take this when price is at momentum, right? When price is at momentum, you can expect this behavior to happen more. So you can see again, 9:12 starting to go bullish, and I think it's gonna come and reach this before 9:30 and drop. And because I took those trade, I don't think I'm gonna even participate in this trade at all. Yeah, I don't really want it. overtrade. Let's put these two. USD CHF is starting to push. All trades are starting to push, to be honest. looks like it's gonna be a good day. Maybe we can watch it in 15 so it's more visible where it's going. Oh, I forgot to turn on all the lights. Jesus. Okay, now you're gonna see me with better quality now. Okay. Now you get to see me brighter. I get to look at my computer, getting one step closer to be blind. All these lights. Okay, so I'm just waiting for the game to open, guys. Literally have nothing to do, just to wait and watch these candles drop and rise. Any other trade if you guys are in, let me know. Shouldn't really be anything other in the market. I think I'm covering everything. Maybe like some exotic pairs or like weird crosses like cat CHF or cat JPY. What else? USD ZAR. Like those. Or maybe, stocks and shit. There is some heat map as well for stocks we can, or screeners. Maybe I can use or add these to my charts in a different playlist, like watch list playlist. It's the second time. And then we can kind of take a look at that too. I don't know. Euro USD dropping nicely. I was wrong about World Cup. Forgot to mention that. I think the camera is pointing it a bit too high when you see the pictures. So yeah, basically let me explain for those of you who never played this game. So this game has two main characters. That's a counter-terrorist character. What the hell? And this one is a terrorist character. So basically in different maps that you play, there are these two teams, 5 of them. It's the casual game. So the terrorists will have 2 different sites to plant a bomb. And the city's job is to first not let them have the chance to place the bomb or plant the bomb. And even if they did, they have to kind of defuse it before it explodes. And you have to be careful about how you spend your money on guns. You have to be strategic. All that. It's much more fun, to be honest. Jesus, it's 10 by 10. But in like a competitive mode is 5, 5 by 5. But looks like it's 10 by 10 here. So we join. And right on the top left you can see the map. That's there is an orange thing, that's the bomb. And basically they killed all the terrorists. They killed all the terrorists and they dropped the bomb. So let's see. That's the first round we're gonna play. I'm gonna go ahead and so I'm following the bomb guy because I don't want him to die and drop it. Jesus, I died. He killed everyone. Good job. So now at least we can watch it while we talk. It's actually better instead of me all the time talking. You start playing. You can watch the charts better too. Why didn't I thought about it earlier? So I actually can see everyone, but in like a real competitive mode you can see the others. So these are terrorist character and these are the cities character. See, the cities are, the bomb is not planned. So basically this guy knows here is the bomb. So they would basically stay above the bomb. The terrorist has to come pick it up. I'ma save money on the guns to start. So right now, that one guy basically throwing these smokes, you know, flash, and different things. So cities should keep the terrorists from entering the sites, technically. Okay. See, so they're just struggling right now to go to any of these sites. But USCCHF has no struggle to go up like it. I like the trades. Absolutely no drawdown. So they were planting the bomb. They did. See, now there is all this. This guy is a city. He has to go kill them and defuse that bomb before exploding. They couldn't. So that's why I say it's a little more fun for you guys to watch too. I'm gonna do this. Why the bomber is not moving? He dropped the bomb. Coach, I'm off to work now. Thanks for the analysis. I'm always learning from these guys' analysis. Thank you, brother. Have fun at work. Thank you for joining, brother. So everything looking okay so far. We're gonna continue. So that's impossible to win almost now. There is 7 of them versus 1. There was no damn way you can win this, buddy. I don't even know this map much. I did couple of deathmatch and shit. I wasn't that bad. Chris Poker thinks it's too easy. So I like this one. Let's go. Oh, they gave me the one. Jesus. Let's pay. Jesus. Where was he? I don't understand what they're saying. Oh, you guys are not even seeing the game. God damn, bro. I know what you're telling me. Jesus. What happened? pushing nicely. I like the trades. I don't know why I didn't change this thing for you. So stupid. Yeah. So I explained you guys everything, but you weren't seeing it. These are the terrorists. And this is the most famous map for it. Friendly fire off, team collision off, 55. Okay, much easier than. Where the fuck did he came from? Trying to practice a spring. Okay, Euro USD also nicely dropping. Keep it on those. Keep a flush. Jeez. I don't understand why they're so pissed. They won't. we're kind of trying to protect the sites. I don't know who the bomber is. Looks like he's dead. Let's try this. I don't like this. Drop it for you guys. Nobody wanted it. Ouch. Who's right behind the door? I don't know what they're talking about. They talk about so many stuff I don't know. Just gonna check my trade. Nicely going Euro USD, USD CHF pushing it, and USD JPY is also continuing to push. Next round. We're gonna go clash. Gave him a smoke. I stole a nice gun, but I like. What? I forgot they can do that. So I guess you now know the game. Welcome to CST. Forgot to check the other side. You just said nobody's better than me and he died. All trades are running nicely. I have no reason to do anything. I'm gonna try this guy. That was so stupid of me. I just went there to kill me. Oh my god. Oh, that was such a noob move. Let's see if he can. Oh. Wow, they ran away. Nice. They ran away. So they planned the bomb. Let's see how they're gonna defend the bomb. Ah. Hello there. That was funny. Oh, now I got the bomb. Let's do B-Rush. What was that? I had the bomb too. Luckily they were around me. I they? Yeah, they picked it up. Nice. UJ was also called in the community, so if you can be in live streams, I will send it to the. Let me send the USD CHF real quick to the community before they push already. Not working. Actually, they pushed it. Forget it next time. Okay, I gotta go, guys. It's turning to. Okay. It's getting into a fight. And it's almost 10. All traders running nicely. We're gonna come back and see how they played out tomorrow. Make sure to manage it yourself if you're watching. I'm gonna go plant some bombs if I can. Peace out.